You don't need a dishwasher. Just a dog. Do the dishes, Bertha.
Step away from the futuristic orb. I take up the house from Luna.
Take it easy, bro.
There is an expected and accepted way of doing things. This is boring, people. We're boring. Because the truth is, it's so much cooler to take things up a notch. To push the pedal down. It get a little weird. If this level's good, imagine what taking it to the next level feels like. Yeah. Once you go up level, you'll never go back.
Tomorrow. Go nuts. Because Rob's entering uncharted territory.
The thing's just taking a turn for the worse.
Ridiculousness. All new tomorrow at 10.
She like snorts while she's doing it. No need for a pre-wash ever again. Right, Bertha? Yeah.